when you...
about to fall out.
Oh, no. You look so much better when you smile.
I don't want to
Almost. I can't explain. And right here we have Gina's custom-made vanilla and grapefruit.
Yes.
And here we have Gina's custom-made
Pineapple papaya.
papaya and pineapple. And here we have Gina's custom-made oatmeal milk and honey, 1 drop of almond, and a little bit of Perrier honey. And here we have Gina's preppy princess, and here we have Gina's j'adore, and here we have Gina's bottle that she refilled. She even wrote on it.
Yes, she did.
But
I left mine at the house.
that's probably one of all the orders that we had today. And here you have the night crew: Gina, Bernie, and me.